Hi everyone, it's your girl Chess, and in today's video we will be doing a packing vlog. So grab some popcorn, take a seat, and keep on watching. Okay, first things first, we're going to start with some packing cubes. I got these off Amazon. They were super inexpensive. I want to say 12 bucks, honestly. Then we're going to throw our jeans in there. There's going to be no rhyme or reason to how I'm putting these in the packing cubes because these are actually compression packing cubes. I'll link everything in the description below so you can purchase them if you'd like. And then we're just going to throw everything in here just semi-neatly, and then we will compress them later. Next up, we have our skirts. I'm gonna bring a lot of different peplum skirts because that is just the vibe and that is the fashion of Japan. And I am a fashionista if you didn't know. So we're gonna get all our skirts together and we're gonna put them all in one packing cube. I personally love taking skirts whenever I travel in general because they don't take up much space in your suitcase. And you'll see later whenever I pack everything up how light they were and how much they if I can get my words together, how much they did not take up too much space. So yep, gonna slide everything up in there. We're gonna get her all packed up. Next we have our shirts. I'm bringing a variety of shirts, bodysuits, tank tops, just to fit the vibe and just to go with the different skirts that I have so I can have a variety to choose from. Next are my pajamas. I got a Juicy Couture full nightgown, and I have a Juicy Couture tank and 2 sets of shorts and just a regular workout bodysuit. I think the Juicy Couture sets are both so cute. I think I got them from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. Can't remember, but they were super inexpensive and they're super cool. When traveling for long trips, you don't need to fill your whole suitcase up with pajamas because you can just wash these at the wash machine and dryer and call it a day. That's all you need. Now on to my purses. You know, you gotta have accessories because what is a cute outfit without accessories? It's just clothes then, duh. Next, I have my hats. These are all super cute. I got a couple of those that are from trips from Japan. And then these are the different shoes that I'm taking. These are all super versatile that I can take and wear with every outfit. Okay, now on to my carry-on bag. I'm going to put the remaining shoes that I have left over that didn't fit in my carry-on into this bag, as well as my toiletries, makeup, and my hats. I got this bag from Marshall's about a year ago. It's a Canadian brand. I'll try to link it in this description, in the description down below if I can find it online. But this has been my go-to carry-on bag. It's my favorite. It has so much space, y'all. I always can fit at least 2 pairs plus everything else that I need in this one little bag. Here's my makeup bag, all of my makeup, period. Love my Fenty Beauty, all of my brushes. I really like to keep my makeup super easy. I only bring like foundation, concealer, brushes, and a sponge, and maybe a highlighter. Super simple, and mascara. Now my hats, I'm gonna just slide them in there like that. Boom. Period. Now this is a portable charger. I got it on Amazon. Slide my Converse in there. What is that? Flying. Ew. Okay, Converse are in the bag. I love that. Oh, the bottom is disgusting. I should probably buy a new pair, huh? Yeah, I probably should. Okay, shoes are in. Love to see it. What else we got left? This is my medication container. All my different medications for headaches, anxiety, UTI, you name it. I got it in there. Allergies. Slide in that front pocket. Oop, fell. Then boom, deodorant. Then boom, toothbrush, toothpaste. I should probably get a bigger tube of toothpaste, huh? Then my eyeshadow palette. Super simple. It's from ColourPop. A mini iron, because y'all saw my clothes earlier. They're really wrinkly. And then pocket change, little wallets. And a hand sanitizer. Love to see it. Got our earrings, a hair tie, and a few bobby pins. Just in case. You never know if you want to change up your hairstyle. I'm going to be wearing wigs, so I'm not really worried, but I bring them just in case. And then we're going to add our soap and a washcloth. I always bring a whole bar of soap and then a washcloth every single trip that I take, because you never know. Never know if the hotel will even have a rag. Then my brushes for my hair. Now we're gonna slide our purses in. Let's see if they all fit. Oh, if they all fit, I would be so proud of myself. Ooh, the suspense. Okay, moment of truth. Will it zip? I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, not looking too good. Whoop. Hey, we did it. That is everything, y'all. We got everything in just a carry-on and a personal item. Love to see it. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. If you could comment, like, and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Hope everyone has an amazing rest of your day.